The teachers, the study material, the test series, that all has been planned so well that it helps us to get the desired results. Hello everyone, myself Harvi Patel and I belong natively from Gujarat, and I have a family who has always supported me and being by my side through entire journey. My mother is a doctor and my father is an engineer. I have a younger brother who has always been a silent support for me, encouraging me and helping me. Till 10th, I was not very clear about what to take the path, engineering or medical. Lekin by 11th, I got a bit inclined towards medical side because of the respect and the satisfaction that one gets in this field. My parents has always seen one dream for me, that is to see me become successful, be it in any field. Like I told that till 10th I was not very sure about what to take the stream, but yes, I was inclined toward bio and I loved biology because of the results that the Akash has produced in before and from family, friends and all. Yes, I did heard about ANTHE from friends and school as well. ANTHE helped me to get my All India ranks and helped me to get to know where I stand. My preparation strategy for NEET included being thorough with the concepts of NCERT, especially diagrams for biology, and understanding concepts and practicing questions as many as possible for physics and chemistry. Biology के लिए NCERT is the foremost importance, और उसमें जो data है, जो diagrams है, जो assertion reasons as many as you can make is very important. Making mnemonics for the things which you don't recall or recognize is a good method. And in physics, making a notebook for formula or writing down some important points which you tend to forget is a better technique to, crack it. See, there is no secret, but अगर हम boards को ऐसे लेंगे कि it is syllabus तो same ही है, अगर हम boards में करेंगे कि वो ही एक मतलब उसमें हम पूरा अपना 12th का syllabus एक बार फिर से revise कर सकते हैं, तो it becomes easy for us to manage both together. So especially the intensive, the FTS, the CSTs, the PSTs organized by Akash helps us a lot in the last few months to find your mistakes, the concepts where you are weak, and the topics which you think you know but actually you don't know, and work hard for them and clear them. Yes, they indeed helps a lot. As I told that it includes the full syllabus test, the part syllabus test. So in the part syllabus test, you get to know each and every chapter clearly, that if you know it or not. And the complete syllabus test helps us to know that whether you are able to recall everything in one go when it is asked together. Taking breaks between studies is important, and for me especially, I could not study one subject for a long go, so I used to change subjects, and for break mainly it was for me playing with my brother or having a talk with mom or dad. Yeah, I started my preparation with Akash from class 9th onwards, and it helped me a lot in managing time as I had to manage both school and the tuitions together, and it also gave a competitive environment for me to prepare for NEET in 11th and 12th. Challenges आते हैं पूरे जर्नी में बहुत ज़्यादा, लेकिन एक तो है कि आप पेरेंट्स के साथ सब कुछ शेयर करते हो, जब टीचर्स के साथ सब शेयर करते हो, आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स, आपकी क्वेरीज, देन हर एक आपके लिए ही है, तो वो आपको हर बार गाइड करेंगे और रास्ता निकल आएगा. और माय हॉबीज़ ऐसे तो एज सच नो हॉबीज़, बट या डांसिंग, आई लाइक डांसिंग, तो वेन एवर आई फील दैट आई एम नॉट गुड आई डू डांस. टेस्ट में लो मार्क्स आना इज़ वेरी कॉमन. कभी कभार हो सकता है सिली मिस्टेक्स हैं, कभी कभार कॉन्सेप्ट्स, इनफैक्ट एंड में भी सिली मिस्टेक्स होती है और जो मार्क्स चाहिए वो नहीं आते थे, बट it's only learning from the mistakes and not repeating those mistakes again. So it helped me that I kept learning and I didn't get demotivated in the process, and teachers were always there to help me out. Since I told that I started my Akash from class 9th, until coming to class 12th, I have seen a transformation in myself, like being in talk, being expressing myself, or being in studies. All round development has occurred for me with being Akash. The teachers, the study material, the test series, that all has been planned so well that it helps us to get the desired result. Yes, there are many memorable moments for me at Akash, like the batch in which I was, we used to celebrate all birthdays, teachers' days, then with a great prompt so that we can get a break from the everyday routine and we can start freshly from the other day. My advice for the NEET aspirants would be that preparation for NEET is a long process and there are ups and downs in the whole process, but one has to keep working hard, be calm and have patience to achieve the goal. All the best.